All right, guys. This is the daily life of a polymath. Of course, life of a foodie. I love food. I eat a lot. Don't play with me. I eat a lot, but normal. Only need moderation. You understand? Like my food comes in moderation. So I eat as I want, as I desire. But again, it has to be sumptuous. So don't play with me. Oh. I love food though, but and I can eat elephant. But I will not finish it. I can remain for you. But I'm a foodie again. Again, I'm a foodie. What do you say? I'm a foodie. Life of a foodie. Welcome to episode 1. This is just the beginning. Okay. I need to actually set to you understand. Because this food, you won't dig in too fast. You have to dig in slow. You will savour it. So I need to move my chair so that you will eat and balance it. It's balanced diet. Okay. Normal. Now, it's knife and for sorry. I like to be very comforted, so you put this here, and then let's dig in. Baba ní Olúwa, gba ọpẹ́ wa lórí oúnjẹ yìí, gba ọpẹ́ wa. All right, that was just a short prayer. You have to pray over your food. Exactly. Yes, sir. See, it's not easy. The life of a foodie, they will serve you anything you want. So one shot man for the belly, you understand? Thank you. Now let's taste it. It's fried rice, plantain, and two shaki, two inside meat. So now let's enjoy this. Especially emerging artists in the UK, but also in Africa. He'll tell you more about what he does, and then he'll go through. You can join me. This is a fellow foodie. He's joining me on this, on this adventure of eating. Another spoon for the meal. I had to be sincere. This food is heavenly. So I'll cut it now so I can finish this food. When we come back, you will see that I've finished this food. You understand? Thank you very much. Peace out. We'll be back. First time in Nigeria, so please let's give it. So now we are back. As you can see, there was a mighty hill before, but we have broken it down. Talk about being a foodie. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Life of a Foodie. Thank you for joining me on this one. If you wanted to see my mouth, so as I will give you one show of it. This is tasting nice, heavenly, like I said earlier, and of course a very sumptuous meal. Thank you for joining me. On the next episode, I don't know, we are going to be looking at critiquing food, but I don't know if I want to do it, you understand? But regardless, you will see me eat numbers and numbers of food. So welcome on board. Thank you for watching. Peace out. God bless you. Again, don't forget to like, comment. If you wanted to eat something like this, tell me. I can see if we can order for you. You understand? Don't worry. Based on me. What did I say? Sorry, I didn't say anything. You understand? Don't worry. But comment your favorite part of this episode and let me see if I can do more of that. And then share, of course. Tag your friend. Who is that foodie that you know? Tag them. Let them come and watch. And subscribe. Thank you. So that we can do more of this. Subscribe. My name is Tosin Olomu. Welcome to the show. Bye for now.